Ever felt like traditional banking is stuck in the past? Paper checks, endless forms, and limited online access, it can be a real drag, especially for busy entrepreneurs and freelancers. That's where challenger banks like Relay come in, promising a sleek, tech-driven banking experience. But are they the real deal? Can you trust them with your hard-earned money? Let's dive into the world of challenger banks and answer the burning question, is Relay Bank a real bank? Buckle up, because things are about to get interesting. The rise of the challengers. For decades, the banking landscape remained largely unchanged. Big banks dominated, offering a one-size-fits-all approach that often left customers feeling frustrated. Enter the challenger banks. These innovative startups are disrupting the industry with their focus on mobile-first experiences, lower fees, and a commitment to transparency. They leverage technology to streamline processes, automate tasks, and provide real-time financial insights. It's like having a personal financial guru in your pocket, constantly monitoring your cash flow and helping you make smarter decisions. What makes a real bank? Now, before we dissect Relay specifically, let's establish what defines a real bank. Here are the key ingredients. Deposits and loans. A real bank accepts deposits from customers and uses those funds to issue loans. This core function fuels the entire banking system. FDIC insurance. The Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, FDIC, protects depositors' money in case a bank fails. It's a safety net that gives you peace of mind, knowing your hard-earned cash is insured. Regulation. Real banks are heavily regulated by government agencies to ensure financial stability and protect consumers. Is Relay Bank a real bank? Spoiler alert, not quite. While Relay offers many features traditionally associated with banks, it technically isn't one itself. Here's the breakdown. Deposits and loans. Relay doesn't directly hold your deposits or issue loans. They partner with a trusted, FDIC-insured bank, usually mentioned on their website, to handle these core functions. Your money is safe and insured, but technically held by their partner bank. FDIC insurance. As mentioned above, your funds are FDIC insured through Relay's partner bank. This provides the same level of protection you'd expect from a traditional bank. Regulation. Relay operates under regulations set forth by the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, FinCEN. This ensures they comply with anti-money laundering and other financial regulations. So, what is Relay Bank? Think of Relay as a financial technology company, or fintech for short. They partner with FDIC-insured banks to offer a modern banking experience on top of existing infrastructure. They act as the user-friendly interface, allowing you to manage your finances seamlessly through their mobile app and online platform. The perks of Relay and other challenger banks. Now that we've established Relay is not a traditional bank, let's explore the advantages they offer. Mobile-first design. Gone are the days of visiting physical branches. With Relay, you can manage your finances from anywhere, anytime through their user-friendly mobile app. Lower fees. Challenger banks often have lower fees compared to traditional banks. Monthly maintenance charges, overdraft fees, and international transaction fees can be significantly reduced or even eliminated. Faster account opening. Forget lengthy application processes and mountains of paperwork. Signing up for a Relay account is quick and easy, often completed within minutes. Integration with financial tools. Many challenger banks, including Relay, offer integrations with popular budgeting and accounting tools. This allows for a more holistic view of your finances and streamlines money management. Focus on small businesses and freelancers. Challenger banks often cater specifically to the needs of small businesses and freelancers, offering features like expense tracking, invoicing tools, and easy tax preparation assistance. Are there any drawbacks? While challenger banks offer numerous benefits, there are also some potential drawbacks to consider. Limited features. Compared to traditional banks, challenger banks may have a narrower range of financial products and services. Customer service. Since they operate primarily online, customer service options might be limited compared to traditional banks with physical branches. Newer players, challenger banks, are still relatively new players in the financial arena. While they're well regulated, some users might prefer the established track record of traditional banks. Is Relay Bank right for you? The decision ultimately depends on your individual needs and priorities. If you're a tech-savvy entrepreneur, freelancer, or someone who values a seamless mobile banking experience, Relay could be a great fit. However, if you require a wider range of financial,